What you're looking at is Rain Harvesting Supplies backup water kit, and it's designed to allow you to use an alternate water supply such as a municipal water supply or a well pump as a backup water source for your rainwater harvesting system. The kit consists of 3 components. First, we have our voltage adapter, power source adapter. We have a 3-way valve that is electrically actuated, and we have a single pole standard pump up float switch. It's important to note that our 3-way valve is a DC voltage valve, so it operates on DC voltage, and our power supply converts a conventional 110 volt electrical supply to a 24 volt DC supply. It's very important in DC which wire is positive and which wire is negative. The marked wire that will have a white stripes or dotting or some type of marking is your positive wire. The unit operates very simply. Your rainwater pump would supply water into this part of the valve. Your alternate water supply would supply water into this side of the valve, and your outlet would be to your service, your house or irrigation system. When the float switch is up, meaning your rainwater tank is full, you would install this float switch in the bottom of your tank at your preset level. Water is being received from this inlet and being supplied to your service. When the water in the tank reaches the low level, the float switch will fall down. When it falls down, you'll notice that the valve will switch positions. This arrow indicator on the top is now pointing to this indicator, which shows that water is being received from the alternate water supply and being supplied to your service. When your tank fills with water again, the float switch will return to its position, upright position, which will cause the valve to receive water from your rainwater pump and allow it to go to your supply. This 3-way valve unit has a relay built into the controls, which allows a single pole float switch to be used as a control for this unit. You don't need a separate relay, and you don't need a double pole float switch either. The body of the unit is made of polypropylene and stainless steel. The internals are all stainless steel. And a unique feature of this valve is that the inlets and outlets are union type. So it's great for servicing. You simply take a 5/16 bit driver and undo a stainless steel clamp that then allows you to remove your attachment, and once all 3 are undone, you can simply lift the valve out of it if you've got it rigidly piped into place. The seals are all Viton type rubber seals that are potable water approved, NSF 61 approved material. And when you remount the unit, it's very simple. Put your clamp in place. Make sure your torque setting is not too high. This unit comes from the manufacturer in about 15 different parts, and we have selected exactly the correct parts to allow you to use it as a kit that you see before you. And once again, these 3 components, the valve is a combination of about 15 different components, are put together by Rain Harvesting Supplies as a alternate water source kit, or a makeup water source kit, to allow you to have an input from your rainwater pump, an input from an alternate water source, and an output to your service. And the valve comes in multiple sizes: 1 inch, 1.5 inch, 2 inch, and you should see the website for the costs associated with the different sizes of valves.